In this video, I will be showing you a money management feature included in our online banking. Please note that this feature is currently not available in our mobile app, so you will need to access it through online banking. Also, the charges listed in this video are for educational purposes only and do not represent North Country Federal Credit Union as a whole. Let's get started. Once you've logged into online banking, on the overview page, you will see Manage Money in the top navigation bar. Under that, you can click on Money Management. To access this feature, you will need to read and accept the terms and conditions. Please note this may prompt an increase in email notifications regarding withdrawals, deposits, and charges based on how you have notifications set up within your account. You may also initially receive an email verified message. Once you've accepted, you will be brought to this page where you will see your accounts start to connect. This may take several minutes. Once completed, you may need to scroll to view all of your accounts. There is also this button, which can allow you to add in accounts from other institutions. For this video, we will be focusing on your North Country accounts. To the left, you will see a breakdown of your accounts with us. To the right, you can click on a specific account to view more details. You will see a breakdown of charges and, if applicable, deposits, including the date, payee, category, and dollar amount. If you go back to the main accounts page, you can see several other options in the navigation at the top. The Transactions tab shows you the most recent transactions across all accounts with the same information we just saw in the individual account. At the top, you can also see uncategorized payees, upcoming charges, and subscriptions. If you're wondering what categories are, they're a great way to keep track of where you're spending your money. For example, restaurants, categorized as food and dining, can group together to show you how much you're spending on takeout. You have the ability to categorize uncategorized payees, change the category, and create new categories. If you change the category of one charge from a payee, you will have the option to have that change reflected across all past and future transactions with that payee. You can see how this breakdown might look when you go to the Spending tab. This member shows a lot of payments in the education category, likely student loans, but also spends a good amount on food and dining. You can filter accounts in the upper left. For example, if you wanted to, you could see what types of charges you were making on your credit card without seeing your debit card spending. Other tabs available to you include Budgets, where you can work to build your own budget plan. Trends, where you can see trends in your spending, including increases or decreases over time. Debts, which will prioritize accounts like loans and credit cards, as well as show their APR, final payment, and amount due. Net worth, which shows previous year's net income. Goals, where you can set goals for savings, retirement, and debt payoff. And cash flow, where you can see your income and expenses on a given day, including future predictions. That completes our brief overview of our money management feature. Feel free to log in and start playing around with the different options. Have a question? Call us toll-free at 800-660-3258 or call our local number at 802-657-6847 to talk to one of our member advocates.